this snail! Can you see? I think the fire alarm is going off. That is a huge need in our world, right? That people need to stop. Love. We are on the way to Vegas for our first leg of our trip. Here we go, we boarded our flight. Get there. Ooh, so bright. Hold on, let's get the tarmac there. Dun, dun, dun. I just came into focus. We've arrived at the Vegas airport for our layover. Here's how you know you're in Vegas. And another big, Mackenzie, tell them what's up.
What?
We're gonna go gamble in the Vegas airport.
That's what we're really here for, is just for the layover.
Day one, fit check. Mackenzie, do you wanna do your little fit check? We kind of coordinate. We just checked in. We have officially arrived at Craftcation 2025. I thought that was the hallway. We're excited. We're gonna go on a little walk around the Craftcation upper floor here. I'm gonna show you what everything looks like. Everybody's checking in right now. The pop-up shop is over there. Lots of cute stuff. Then we've got like sponsor booths around. Lots of stuff to look at. Lots of stuff to do. People are already starting to make things. This is the pop store. And then like you've got places where workshops are gonna be happening later. But it looks like there's already a ton going on. Lots of places to take photos. They're so cute. Sewing machine. Look at the stickers. So cute. Join Sticker Club, get a tote. Over here is where a lot of the other classes are. Then down there you can see is like the rest of the hotel. Check-in is across the way over there. Another backdrop for taking photos. Picture spot. I love this idea so much. This is the coloring, group coloring. There's where Mackenzie did the first green mark. Nobody else has colored yet. Watch, it'll be like for a specific time later and Mackenzie's already ruined it. Another picture spot over here. And then we're gonna go across the way into the pop-up shop. Tell everyone welcome to Craftcation.
Hi, welcome to Craftcation, everybody!
And we're gonna go walk through the pop-up shop, see what there is over here. Cool earrings. These are really cool. Lots of cool earrings. Stickers.
Yeah.
Ooh, these are really pretty. Love. Love those. Oh my gosh, the Pop-Tarts. The Craftcation and the pins. This is really cool. They have DIY headbands and hat station. This is Amazon handmade. And they also have this little make and take station right here that's really cute. So fun. A fun little found object woven tapestry so people can like add to it. How cool is that? I can't wait to see what this looks like at the end of the week. I got my little bag. It's got lots of goodies in it. We will do an unbagging later. We got our coffee. We walked half a mile for this. Mackenzie's gonna go take a little rest because we both have been up for a long time. And then I'll show you what's in my tote bag. Look at the size of this snail. Can you see? Look at him. He's so big. Mackenzie, the snail. We just got our little check-in bag. So we're gonna go through it and see what we got. Last time the goodies were chef's kiss, superb. So let's check it out. Okay, first they are doing this Craftcation photo scavenger hunt. I thought this was really cool. It's to be entered for a giveaway. You have to find 20 items. So we're gonna need to do some things like take a walk on the Ventura Pier, send your future self a message in a bottle with pirate ship, spot someone crafting in public. We're gonna be doing some fun little crafty tasks because we are definitely doing this. This is just the little Craftcation like guide here. So it's got like all the different presenters. Ooh, hold on. Let's find me. There's me presenting. That's exciting. It's a bag within a bag. Bagception. Okay, we've got some yarn. Oh my goodness. These are little iron-ons. They say, hello, I'm crafty. Ooh, some snacks. Lesser Evil popcorn. Booze-free craft cocktail. A little stencil. Cool, a stencil tool. A little mini cutting tool set. So it has like a little mini rotary cutter, a mini slicer, and little mini scissors. Can I take these off? I think the fire alarm is going off.
I'm not getting up.
Wait a minute. That was the fire alarm. We were in the middle of evacuating and then it turned off, so we came back. Anyways, I was in the middle of showing you these little mini tools, and my question is, can I take this on a plane to go home? Okay, ooh, a sheet of Avery labels. I use these all the time. Love. This is Pip Sticks. I'm especially excited about these because my kids love them, and also I just love a good sticker, but they are a sticker company. Hold on. Wow, it's like Fort Knox. I love them. Okay, their stickers are always so cute. I love them so much. Slumber Party. Deodorant. What are they trying to say? A massive glue stick. Oh, this is cool. It's a needle minder, poker chip like magnet. A little notebook from Amazon handmade, and look at the sprayed edge. Wow, there's still more in here. Okay, wow, I'll lay it all out and like show you the full thing, but that's a very full goodie bag. We love to see it. Here is everything from the tote bag all laid out together. So yeah, they really stuffed it full. Mackenzie's first In-N-Out experience. Are you excited?
So excited.
What's the verdict?
It's good.
Okay, we got done teaching for today. I taught first thing this morning. Now I am getting to attend classes, which I am so excited about. So I'm about to take a sewing class to learn a little bit more about sewing. We're gonna do a zippered bag. I'll show you all along the way. And then after that, I get to do a kimono.
This is a ½ inch for this thing, but yeah.
Got the beginning piece done. We finished our bags. Yay!
Shoes, she has this cute symbol that's got a Alright, let me talk to her.
Checking in on the woven tapestry. Progress is being made. If you need a favorite drink recipe. Do I look ready?
Yeah, very.
I'm in a
But like, and it just goes through that one like layer?
yeah.
That's so weird. Finished sewing my very first kimono. I'm pretty proud. wearing my kimono for day 3. We are checking in. We're about to film a podcast interview, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be amazing. And then later, I'm going to sew a dog collar. Hopefully. Because that is a huge need in our world, right? That people need to stop and see the little things. We made it to the end of Friday, day 3. Day 7.
We're all running together.
We made it to the end of day 3. We're headed back to our rooms. We just watched Iron Craft, which is basically like Iron Chef, but for crafting. So it was like a rapid fire, make a craft out of these secret ingredients in 5 minutes or less. We did not participate, but we did watch.
Watching was enough.
Watching was enough. It was really cool. It looks like they're having a lot of fun. We did peace out a little bit early because we are ready to go lay down. So we will check in with you guys tomorrow, which will be the last full day of Craftcation. This is the view from our room. Hello. It is Saturday. It is kind of the middle-ish of the day. We just ate lunch and I'm gonna teach a class on making repeat patterns in Procreate here in just about an hour. This morning, Mackenzie and I both sewed. We made these jumper dresses. We did not finish. We're gonna have to finish them at home. In a second, I'll show you the progress we made. And then we also stopped by the charm bracelet booth and made little charm bracelets. Mackenzie made hers an anklet. So we did that, gonna teach, and then after that, Saturday is pretty much done. Then it becomes after hours activities, which I think tonight is trivia and the fashion show. Here's a little update on the tapestry that everyone's been working on this week. It's coming together. So many fun details. I especially love this little octopus right here. Someone put Ventura. Very cool. Okay, so here is the progress on the dress I made. It is not complete. It doesn't even have holes yet, but this is the front. It looks like nothing, but it really is something for me. Okay, so we've got our little straps here. There's little straps. It's like a little jumpsuit dress. So we finished doing the bias tape here, and then we're just gonna cut through the front so it can tie together. Okay, that sounds wrong. So you want to do 3,000 by 3,000. I think the automatic heat guy is 600. Is it for you guys or is it for you? Good morning from the final day of Craftcation. Mackenzie and I woke up early and came to the sewing lab so that we could finish our jumper dresses. Let me show you mine. I have not added a pocket yet. I'm still on the fence as to whether I want a pocket or not, but for now, no pocket. Here she is. She's got her cute little tie front, and then I've got this contrasting yellow bias trim. I honestly never would have thought that I could sew something like this. I feel like I have learned so much this weekend about lots of different things, but really I've spent a lot of time in the sewing lab because that was my goal this weekend, was to learn some sewing skills, and I feel like I've definitely accomplished that. I feel like I can go home and actually use my sewing machine, which I am so excited about. Kids are about to have all the new sewed clothes. All right, let me show you the sewing lab, and then also for the rest of today, we have closing ceremonies, and then Mackenzie heads to the airport, and I'm headed to Disneyland. Let's see yours. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Mackenzie chose stars, and I think it's really cute.
We're just not dramatic.
And then here's the sewing lab. I do have to say, Craftcation does a great job like stocking their classrooms. I mean, we have had no shortage of fabric to choose from this weekend. There are so many machines in this room and 2 other rooms just like this one with more machines in it, and all the tools and supplies you could ever want. They do a great job, and I've really felt like it has helped me learn so much so quick because there's everything here you could need to learn with.
Who made something this week?
Craftcation is officially over. Now we are off to spend a few days at Disneyland. So bye Ventura and bye Craftcation 2025.